Again, we're going to bring it forward, come back till it meets, and then maintain that angle, and these hits will be identical. This is why this guard is a game changer, because now your hits will be much more regulated and uniform on the skin. And I'm going slow to show you guys so you see. All these hits look like real hair. Look at this beautiful hairline here. You're not going to get any realer than this, my friends. Perfect hits. So he will need one more, obviously, session. I just did it for demonstration purposes. But one more session, we go in between all these existing hits. You never want to compound sessions, especially not knowing the clients, the way they heal, how they metabolize pigment, and so on. This needs to be done in separate sessions, 3-4 sessions. The more sessions, the more time you give in between to heal, the much better results, and your client will be happy. Trust me on that one.